Case name Sri Lakshmi, age is 30 years, and today date is 15th of August 2014, and complaint of change in voice from last 3 months. According to the ENT finding, left vocal cord is paralyzed. And Sri Lakshmi, tell about yourself. I want speech sample before treatment.
So myself Sri Lakshmi. So I had a surgery last May 2014. So since then my voice has changed. So usually doctor said it could be edema because of the surgery. So after some 2 months I consulted an ENT. So he said the left vocal cord is paralyzed. So now my problem is I'm not able to speak loud. And I have to take bloods to complete one sentence. Yeah, so I've seen your videos and so I've come here and now then will be okay.
Okay, you are at the right place, and we'll do the info. Thank you. Post therapy, video of Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi, I want a speech sample after therapy. Can you tell about yourself, what problem you had and why you contacted us, and how many therapy sessions you took, and how do you feel now?
Yeah, sure. So hi, my name is Sri Lakshmi. So I'm working as an IT professional. So actually I had a surgery for removing my thyroid. So after that, because of the surgery and vocal cords were paralyzed, in fact, left vocal cord was paralyzed. So I lost my voice, and I was completely depressed. And in fact, I waited for around 3 months for my voice to come back, but it didn't come back. So at that time I was just googling around, to find out how to get a solution for this problem. So then I came to know about Dr. Sanjay. So I approached him, and he said it will be all right. And but I even then I was not that confident. So then therapy sessions were started. So I think I've done around 15 to 20 therapy sessions, and most of them were through Skype because of the distance. So almost all the sessions were through Skype. So now you can hear me, I'm perfectly fine. So thanks to doctor. Yeah, and I don't have any problem at all. And initially, it was very difficult for me to speak. And since I'm in IT, I was finding it very difficult, and I was completely depressed. So, for people who face this problem like me, you can ultimately find a solution. So, thanks to doctor again.
Okay, so can I use your video for awareness purpose?
Yes, you can. Please.
Okay, fine. Just 1 minute. Okay. So where you are staying in Bangalore?
HSR layout.
HSR layout. Okay. How many kilometers are from my clinic? Roughly?
I don't know exactly, but it will take around 1.5 hours, and in traffic it will take around 2.5 hours. So mostly it was done through Skype.
Okay.
I think I have come to your clinic only 2 to 3 times. After that it was all through Skype. Yeah.
Okay. Tell your hobbies and your career plan and your family.
Yeah, so actually my husband is abroad, he's in Ireland. So now because I'm okay, and I'm also traveling to Ireland now. So, and I'll pursue my IT career there also. Yeah, and initially, I was worried when I lost my voice, and I was thinking like, okay, if I go there,
I think there is some network issue. Anyway, thanks for coming and showing faith on us, and I'm just going to upload.
Pursue my career, and I have a doctor also. So I was so worried about all those things, but now I'm fine. Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, doctor.
Okay, so there is some network issues also, so no problem. So I will use your video for awareness purpose on
okay,
YouTube.
fine.
And, okay, thanks for coming and showing faith on us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Just 1 minute.